Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make one of my favorite autumn desserts, la tarte frangipane prune, or plum tart with delicious almond custard. It is so good and really easy to make. Watch my hands, let's go! First off, we'll make la pâte sucrée, or a sweet tart dough. For this recipe you'll need only egg yolks. You can use the remaining egg whites for other recipes. In a mixing bowl, put softened butter and cream it using a mixer, about 30 seconds. Add icing sugar and beat it again on a medium-high speed until pale and fluffy, about 1 minute. Add the egg yolks one by one, mixing well each time after adding. Then sieve in all-purpose flour, add a little bit of salt and mix it using a spatula until the dough just comes together. You should get the soft dough which won't stick to your fingers when you touch it. Make a ball and flatten it a little. Cover it with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours. Then we'll make la frangipane. Again, cream the softened butter using a mixer. Add icing sugar, beat it on medium speed until pale and fluffy, about 1 minute. Add the eggs at room temperature, one at a time. Wait until the first is completely incorporated before adding the next one. Add almond flour and beat on medium speed until just combined, about 30 seconds. Then add almond extract and a little bit of dark rum. Mix it again until combined. Cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. When the dough has rested and cooled, dust a tabletop and a rolling pin with flour. Roll out the dough to the size of the tart pan. Add a little bit of flour if you need. Be fast enough to prevent the dough from warming up and melting. Then use the rolling pin to transfer the dough into the tart pan. Carefully place the dough in the pan, helping with your hands. Then trim the edges with a knife. Make a few holes on the bottom using a fork and put it in the freezer for half an hour. Meanwhile, prepare your plums. Just rinse it, dry it, then half and peel it. You can leave it in halves or cut it into thinner slices. Finally, heat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer la frangipane to the tart shell and spread into an even layer with a spatula. Arrange the plum slices on top. Do not push it, press it, just place it on top. Sprinkle with sugar, just a little. I use brown sugar, by the way. Put it in the oven and immediately reduce the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until the frangipane is puffed and golden brown and plums are tender. About 45 minutes. Let it cool a little and remove from the tart pan. By the way, I love to use tart pan with a removable bottom. It is very easy to remove the tart from it. You can eat it warm or cold. Serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream, as you wish.
Which one is for me? This one or that one? Both. Okay. Oh my god, looks fantastic. This is so delicious. They're like a little bit sour, a little bit sweet. God, this is so good. And I feel the taste of almonds. I love it. I think the rest of that is for me as well. Thank you so much.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.